Today is your lucky day because today you're going to get trained by an extremely successful individual. Now, this person was featured in Success from Home magazines multiple times. Now, you know Success from Home magazine. Now, also he reached the pinnacle position in $1 billion company, and they actually made their billboards in USA. Him and his wife were featured there. That's why now you probably guessed who I'm talking about. I'm talking about Anwar Qureshi from USA, and he won the Porsche in record time. And today he's doing the bizzcoin presentation, and it's not just going to be bizzcoin presentation. That's just maybe the 10 minutes of it. He's going to train you. He's going to give you his steps to success. He's got 7 steps to success. That's what he's going to give you. That you need to know, not just for bizzcoin or bizztrade. You need to know it for if you want to be successful in any business, because it's not that he's just successful in bizzcoin. He's got multiple businesses where he's successful. That's why he's going to give you 90-day game plan. Today, he's going to teach you how to become successful in every aspect of your life. That's why today's presentation at 7 o'clock UK time is very, very important, because it's not just going to be the presentation, it's going to be a training webinar, and no one can afford to miss this. And please make sure every single leader at least invites 100 people. Now, how many regional directors do we have? We've got like maybe over 500 team leaders and executive leaders, over 100 regional directors. If you guys can even invite 10 people or even 20 people each, just imagine how many people we're going to have on this Zoom call. That's why I'm extremely looking forward to this Zoom call. See you tonight, UK time, 7 o'clock, 1 o'clock USA time, and love you all. Thank you very much. Bye.